This is a message from Mikhail Mishustin, the new president of the Russian Federation, formerly the New Russia. I made a mistake supporting Vladimir Putin in the past. This mistake cost many innocent lives and caused mass destruction worldwide. I'm truly sorry for my mistakes. While I'm president of Russia, I promise to rebuild what Putin destroyed and build both Russia and the world better than before. First, formerly independent states and countries of New Russia are now independent. Second, every damage that Russia caused throughout the world will be rebuilt. Third, the government of Russia will now have a checks and balances system similar to the United States' 3 branches of government, so no piece of crap like Putin can ever rule Russia like this again. This period of time might be hard, but if all countries work together to rebuild, we can put this war behind us.